Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Alzheimer's disease can be reversed in animal models to achieve full neurological recovery. A research team has shown that Alzheimer's disease AD can be reversed in animal models, leading to full neurological recovery. The study found that the decline in the cellular energy molecule NAD+ is a major driver of AD, and maintaining proper NAD+ balance can prevent and even reverse the disease. In mouse models of AD, restoring NAD+ balance through a pharmacological agent not only protected mice from developing AD, but also enabled the brain to fix the major pathological events and recover cognitive function. The results represent a paradigm shift in thinking about AD treatment, providing hope that the effects of the disease may not be permanent and the damaged brain can repair itself and regain function. The researchers emphasize the need for carefully designed human clinical trials to determine if this therapeutic approach can be effectively translated to human patients. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak